Hi, today we are going to make a straight flyer, a left flyer, or a right flyer. You can choose. And you can do this video later too. First, you take the piece of paper and you fold it in half. Mom, get out of the way. Try to make it really precise. Then you fold the two corners down to make this shape. Then you fold all of this stuff that we just did, fold it down. So you make a triangle like this. Then you fold the tips
like an airplane.
Down onto the line, like this. Then you fold the tip up to the line. Next, you fold it in half.
No,
So you make the airplane shape. Then you fold it one more time. So this is in line with the bottom. So like this. Then you do the other side the same exact way as the side that I just did. So you have this, right? And then if you want to make something like that, you want to make it fly left, or if you want to fly it right, you just put a piece of tape on this side to fly it right, and then this side to fly it left. And you don't need a piece of tape to fly it. Watch.